To withdraw PayPal money, you have several options available. First, you need to make sure you have a verified PayPal account and that your account is funded with the amount you want to withdraw. To start the withdrawal process, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here you will see the option to transfer funds. This is where you can initiate the withdrawal process. You can withdraw your PayPal money to your bank account. This process usually takes a few business days and may incur a small fee. Another option is to use a debit or credit card linked to your PayPal account. This process is usually faster but may also incur a fee. You can also withdraw your PayPal money at an ATM using a PayPal debit card. This option is convenient, but be aware that you may be charged an ATM fee. Additionally, some retailers offer the option to withdraw PayPal money in stores such as Walmart or 7-Eleven. This option is convenient, but be aware that you may be charged a fee. To avoid any issues when withdrawing your PayPal money, make sure your account is verified and that you have enough funds in your account. Also be aware of any fees associated with the withdrawal method you choose. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your PayPal money and access your funds when you need them. It is always a good idea to check the PayPal website for the most up-to-date information on withdrawal options and fees.